After
All right, we're back. They're eating their candy. Okay, so as I was saying, you want to do about 20 to 30 loops. So if you have 2 colors, then you do 10 loops together. So I'm going to do 2 different colors right now just to show you.
What's this?
That's to hold all the vinyl. Okay, so I'm going to grab the 2 colors, and basically I'm going to do 15 loops. Okay, so I'm going to grab it right here. Here's 1 loop, 2, 3, 4. So you get the idea, right?
Oh, it's a suction cup, so none of it spills.
Mm-hmm.
Why are you wrapping it with the...
Because I'm going to show you guys how to do the tassels. Okay, so you're going to keep going.
Here, go.
I'm going to stop it right here just to give you an idea of what to do. So I'm going
eating
to...
more candy.
Charlotte, no more candy. Put it down.
I'm not eating candy. I'm just
Okay.
looking for the slime.
So I'm going to go all the way
It's
down.
sticky. How sticky?
And I'm going to cut this
Kinda.
off. Okay. So what you want to do is you want to grab, and you don't want to do this too tight because you still have to take it off your book.
I'm rock climbing onto the chair.
Are you going to finish your thing?
Huh?
Okay.
Oh.
So you basically have this, right? So
Charlotte,
what you want to do
get
is
out of under my chair.
you're going to keep it in a circle like this,
Under, over,
and you're going to cut off another piece of yarn because this is going to be the top.
Oh man, now I gotta go
So
over all of the easy parts.
you're just going to tie it right here at the end. And I would double knot it. Okay, so tie it there. Right, so you have it at one end, tied like this. So then you're going to cut off this end.
This is crazy.
Okay, so now you have this. And what you want to do is, this is the easiest way that I found is with these clear headbands, tie bands, hair ties. And you can wrap it up here like a ponytail.
Oh, there's a clear headband in my hair.
You have that right now?
Right here.
Yeah. So this will give you a really tight
happened?
hold. Oh my gosh.
Charlotte!
Hold
she
on,
put
let me
slime
look.
on my foot.
Char.
now I gotta do this. Okay, that one.
Okay.
Crazy.
So that gives you the top of that, and then there's your little tassel. So obviously if we did 30, you would have a fluffier one. But that's your tassel.
The slime.
Just like this.
Well, I want a really fat one.
You want a fat one? So this is about 30 loops. Well, 30 total with the 2 colors.
Wait, did you make those thingies that you gave me in Olivia?
Yeah. So you can see this one is the length of...
Last year for Christmas? The red or yellow
I don't
one.
remember. If you don't have these hair ties, you can use yarn, you can use string. But to get like a really good shape, it needs to be tight. So it's easier to do it with something that's strong. Yarn, if you try to do it too tight, you're just gonna rip off the yarn. So that is it. And then you can add a different color here. So once it's tied down, you could take your yarn and then wrap like, a pretty color that you want.
Going crazy. Why do we clean my desk?
And I think we're done. If you follow me on Instagram, you can see
My mom follows you on this.
yeah, that you can see our finished works. All right, so I'm gonna switch the camera angle just so that the girls can say bye really quickly. All right, girls, come back.
Bye. Bye.
What do you want to say, Charlotte?
Like and subscribe and click the location button.
Click the like button.
Click
No?
the like button, not location button.
And Emma, any last words you want to share with anybody? Come on up. I think that's the end of it. Bye, guys. Thanks for joining.
Bye.